So now we're going to do a faceplate. As you can see, the previous job was a cable flag. So what you'll need to do is come down here to the hotkeys and hit faceplate. Now it's important to measure the desi window of the faceplate, and at that particular point you can put in how long you want the label to be. Number of blocks, how many ports are we doing? So is it going to be a single port? Is it going to be a 2-gang? Is it going to be a 4-gang? So a lot of the faceplates out there are 2-port. Very easy to do. You can see the orientation down here, right? And you could change the orientation to either vertical or horizontal. So in this case, I'm going to keep it horizontal. I'll hit the OK button. Again, you get a blank screen. And we're going to serialize this job here. So I'll put in my first identifier, which is A01-01. You want to hit the serialize button. So you don't want to hand type all these. You want the machine to build the job for you. So hit the serialize button. I'm going to left arrow over to the left-hand side of the 0 and hit the OK key. I'm going to right arrow to highlight the 1 and hit the OK key. Now it's going to ask me how many faceplates do I want to do. In this case, let's just do 24. And hit the OK button. There's also a preview here of what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and print a few. So when we go to print, again, same process, all, which is the job you just built, the entire job. Currently what's on the screen, but let's do a range. So select range, hit the OK button, and let's just do, I don't know, let's do 4 of them. And hit print. So the same half cut applies to the faceplate, which means that if you're running around the floor, you can take the entire strip and peel and stick, peel and stick. You're not searching. It's ready to go sequentially. So here's your strip. You can see the perforated cut right here. So what I'll do is I will peel the faceplate, and there's your 2-port faceplate. Here's the rest of the job right here. But the half cut feature is a time saver. So anyway, that's our faceplate feature.